Hi, this is Elwin here. Here's a quick video to show you how you can install the mobile app. Right now, I'm looking at my Android phone. This is for Android. I'm using a Vivo. As soon as you go to your Play Store, just click the icon. In there, look for SmartBee. Just look for SmartBee, and you should find it. So as you can see, SmartBee. With subheading SmartBee Solutions, and just go in it and install. As you can see, I've already installed it. You can pause this video while you install, and we are back. Now I would then go open the app. When you load the app, you would see this little domain, this section to log in. You then have to fill in your own domain. In this case, my example will be DU Fiber. Then my name is Elwin and my password. And once I'm done, I log in. And that's it. That's how you log in.